To install PostgreSQL, we are going to search PostgreSQL. Then we'll go to postgresql.org, and here we have download button, and if you scroll down we can see some details about new releases. I'm going to click on download. Then here we can see different operating systems. So I have Windows. I will click on it, and again we can see some platform support related details here. Now for Windows we have 64, so that should work. Now click on download installer. This will direct to the download page, and here I'm going to click on Windows 86/64. So just click on it. This will start downloading the installer. Then once installer is downloaded, double click on it. Then we'll get one wizard where we can follow the steps to install PostgreSQL. So right now it's just checking few prerequisite. Then after some time we'll get one wizard which will ask few basic questions like where we want to install it. Those will keep it default for the time. So here now let's start this installation. So go and click on next. Keep the default location. I'm going to keep everything default. Next. Now here we need to set up one master password, or just keep one password, whatever you feel easy. So keep it here, retype the same password, click on next. Port will be 5432, then everything default, then click on next. Now this will start the installation. So once installation gets started, I'm going to skip this part, and we will see once it got installed. I will click on this finish button, and then next what we are going to do is we are going to open pgAdmin. So click finish, and this one also I'm going to cancel for the time. Now let's click on yes, then search for pgAdmin. This will open pgAdmin, and in pgAdmin we can see all the details about the tables, database, everything we can see here. I'll maximize this one and then click on servers. Now here it will ask for the password, so I will provide the password here, and then I will click on OK. Now here we can see different database what we have, login, user groups, table space, all these details we can see here. Now I'm going to see here inside schemas. So I will expand the schemas, and in public schema we can see we have collections, we have tables. We'll expand the table. There is nothing, so I can right click and just create table. I'm not going to create right now. Maybe in next video we'll see how to create table and those things. So thanks for watching.